let's practice. This one is number 9. Number 9 is 9. 9. 9.
구,
9.
구,
9. And
구,
기구.
기, 구,
기구.
기, 구, 구,
기구. 에어 balloon.
기, 구,
기구.
기구,
기구.
기구,
기구. And furniture is 가구.
구, 가,
가구.
가,
가구. 가구. And baseball.
야,
야구.
구,
야구.
야, 야구,
야구.
야구,
야구. Okay, here and 고기. 고기. Usually fish we said 물고기. 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 물 is water. 고기. 물고기.
고기,
고기. 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 고기
고기.
usually not fish, meat. Meat.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's,
Yes, yes.
I'm always thinking bulgogi.
Yeah, right. 불고기. Yeah, very good point. Right. Yeah, 고기 is meat. Meat.
고기,
물고기 is fish. But
물고기.
물고기 is fish, but 고기 is meat.
Okay.
Meat. Okay, let's check again. How can we say this one?
구,
구.
구,
구.
구,
구. And this one?
기, 기구,
기구. 기구.
기구,
And this one?
가구,
가구. 가구. Okay, good. And this one? 야구.
야구,
야구.
야구,
야구. Okay, then let's do
고기,
고기.
고기.
고기. 고기. Okay, good. So we just practiced how to read. So,
Are these pages aren't in the book though, are they, Helen?
oh, no.
Okay, this is separate.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's separate one. Yeah.
Okay.
So this one, can you read again?
구,
구.
구,
구.
구,
This one?
기구,
기구. 기구. And this one?
가구,
가구.
가구,
가구. And
가구.
this one?
This one,
야구. 야구.
야구,
야구.
야구.
Another fish.
고기, 고기,
Right. 고기.
고기,
고기. 고기.
고기,
Meat.
고기.
고기. Okay. So here, na is me. Me.
나.
In Chinese, 我.
어?
Yeah, 我. And no. No is you. No. 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 You. In Chinese, 你. And 누구 is who. Who.
누구.
누구. 누구.
A man? A man with a hat? I don't know. Yeah.
No, 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 no. It doesn't matter.
Oh, okay. New. Oh, who? Okay. It's just like you don't know
Who,
who it is.
who.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, yes, yes. And
Okay.
누이,
Mm.
누이 is elder sister.
Oh.
We have another word, 누나, 누나. 누이 is more a traditional way than the very old style word. 누이, 누이. 누이 is elder sister. Elder sister. And this one, 고니 is one of some birds.
Mm.
고니, 고니, 고니.